It's been a long journey. All right, it's been a long journey. We'll talk a little bit more tonight, but it's been a long journey. You've earned the right to be here. This isn't by accident. You've earned the right to, 1, make a bowl game, 2, have an opportunity to win a bowl game that you've never won, and 3, to be honest with you, be in a place like this. This school used to be a junior college. This school, a junior college. Boise State football, men, has had 5 losing seasons in its entire history. You want to talk about a culture? You want to talk about a reason why you're here? Nothing by coincidence. Nothing by coincidence. A team that we strive to be like. But the problem with every mid-major level school wants to be like them. There's only one Boise State. Just like there will be one Western Michigan that everybody wants to emulate. Everybody wants to be. And that starts with you tomorrow. Got it? Love you. Proud of you guys. Let's go. Bring it up. We're doing lead work. We will not come down.
Won't do it.
Let's go. Roll the boat. Let's go. Roll it out.